If you would ask me, this might just be another tea. In fact, I would never guess that drinking tea can have so many instant health benefits. And no, it's not your ordinary green tea, but it is something ancient Greeks were using. Bay leaf, also known as Laurus nobilis, isn't just an herb you add to your food. I mean, sure, its distinctive flavor may have made it popular in cuisines around the world. The truth is that there's so much more to it. You see, a single bay leaf has more health benefits than you would think of. A rich source of vitamin A, vitamin B6, and vitamin C are just to name a few. But is there any evidence that bay leaves are not just another source of greenery that everyone is hyped about, but actually does not have any benefits once cooked or brewed? Well, that's why today we will try to find out what bay leaf is good for. Does bay leaf have any health benefits, or would it make you sick? Let's not waste your precious time and get right into it. Number 1, aids in cancer risk reduction. The prevalence of cancer is becoming alarming in our society today, and in fact has become a global issue of concern. One of the herbs that can help you reduce your chances of developing cancer is bay leaf. Yep. The compound cineol found in bay leaves has been proven to be effective in suppressing leukemia cancer cell lines. One study on the anti-cancer activity of certain herbs concluded that bay leaf possesses chemoprotective properties, which provide resistance against different types of cancer. Also, another study conducted by some clinical pharmacists at the University of Jordan found that bay leaf is effective in breast cancer therapy. So if you want to reduce your risk of cancer, bay leaf is your best bet. I suggest sticking around till the end of this video because we have an amazing bay leaf tea recipe ready for you. Number 2, bay leaf fights fungal and bacterial infections. Fungal and bacterial infections can cause a lot of health issues. Food poisoning is commonly seen among people who suffer from bacterial infections, and it can end up affecting any organ in your body, with pneumonia and meningitis being the most common of these problems. In one 2020 study, it was found that bay leaf oil can work as a food preservative and fight away foodborne bacteria that cause this illness. On the other hand, bay leaf has been proven to be potent against fungal infections like Candida. To confirm this, a study published in the Archives of Oral Biology found that bay leaf disrupts the adhesion of Candida to the cell wall, thereby keeping it from penetrating the membrane. By including bay leaf in your cooking, you will be doing your body a world of good, as it will prevent the infection from these pathogens. Number 3, aid wound healing. If you have a wound that is taking too long to heal, bay leaf is one tried and true herb that can come to your aid. Thanks to its essential oils, flavonoids, and saponins, bay leaves possess significant wound healing activity. In fact, one study published in the Natural Volatiles and Essential Oils or NVEO journal confirmed that macerated bay leaf heals second-degree burns in vivo. Yes, you heard that right. Bay leaves help heal a second-degree burn, but that's not all it can do. Another study in the BMC Medicine and Therapy journal even confirmed that bay leaf contributes to better wound healing than the control experiment. But how do you use bay leaves on your wound? Well, the extract of the leaf is applied on the surface to reduce inflammation and quicken the healing process. Before we continue, do you enjoy health education? Is living a healthy lifestyle a goal for you? To stay up to date with the latest health information, subscribe to this channel and ring the notification bell to get notified when I upload. Now let's continue with our list of health benefits of bay leaves. Number 4, improves digestion. Aside from aiding the healing of wounds, bay leaf is also an effective indigestion remedy. Okay, let me explain how this works. According to research, bay leaf has been shown to aid digestion by stimulating the healthy secretion of stomach acids that break down food. It further helps in digestion by stimulating the gastrointestinal tract and promoting urination. So if you're having trouble digesting your food, bay leaf could be the hero you're looking for to save you. Now you might be wondering, what is the science behind this? Well, there are unique enzymes present in bay leaf that help facilitate efficient digestion and metabolism of complex proteins. Additionally, bay leaves also help in the elimination of toxins from the system, which further helps improve digestion. Taking a cup of bay leaf in the morning before you leave the house will keep your digestive system in a functional state to digest the meals of the day properly. Number 5, improving skin health. Aside from improving your digestive system, did you know bay leaves can also make your skin glow? Several studies have shown that adding bay leaves to your meal can help improve the health of your skin. The truth is, this herb stands out due to its high concentration of skin-nourishing nutrients. Additionally, its anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antifungal properties have made it a fantastic healing herb for the face and body. So why not allow your skin to enjoy these benefits? To get started, take a handful of leaves and grind them to make a soft powder. Now add some rose water or vetiver water to this powder to make a smooth paste. Apply it to your face, and after 10 minutes, wash it off to keep your skin soft, bright, and clear. Do try to use this mask once a week to get healthy and flawless skin. Number 6. Good for diabetes. This is another bay leaf nutritional fact you should keep at the back of your mind. And if you are already suffering from diabetes, you should consider adding bay leaves to your shopping list the next time you go get some groceries. It is a well-known fact that diet is a crucial part of managing and preventing diabetes, and healthy diet practices may go a long way in alleviating the symptoms and even potentially preventing the condition. One ingredient you will include in your diabetes diet that will make a difference is bay leaf. Due to its ability to reduce serum glucose and total cholesterol, bay leaf stands out as one of the most diabetes-friendly herbs. In fact, a 2009 study discovered that consuming 1 to 3 grams of bay leaves daily can help diabetics reduce and manage their glucose and cholesterol levels. Also, another study published on WebMD showed that taking ground bay leaf twice daily along with medicine for diabetes can lower pre-meal blood sugar levels. And number 7. Anxiety management. Still wondering if bay leaves are healthy? You should be aware that one of the benefits of bay leaf is anxiety relief. A traditional anxiety-related behavioral test discovered that exposure to linalool odor can help with relaxation and anxiety reduction. This same compound linalool is found in bay leaf, which is why it is such an effective anxiety reliever. Aside from linalool, other active compounds in bay leaf that help to relax the mind include eugenol and myrcene. Bay leaves are burned to release these anti-anxiety compounds. As the leaves burn, the smell released from the smoke relaxes the nerves in the brain, which relieves tension and anxiety. Perhaps this could be a real deal for anyone who is fighting with anxiety attacks. But if you want to try to brew a cup of bay leaves tea, I have a simple but super healthy recipe for you. All you need are a few whole bay leaves and a pot of water to steep the bay leaves in. Allow it to boil for at least 3 minutes on high heat before turning it off. Although bay leaf is delicious on its own, you can enhance it by adding sugar and milk. However, too much can alter the flavor of the tea. Drinking bay leaf tea warm is a great way to enjoy it, but cold brews are also delicious. If you are a fan already and drink it on a daily basis, I'd love to hear from you. Teas are great and have not only health benefits, but also an amazing way to stop for a moment and relax. We live in the world where nobody has time and are always busy with their lives, and there is no surprise why mental health-related problems are also peaking. Well, maybe if you are dealing with a lot of stress lately, these 6 vitamins can be vital for you to overcome anxiety and stress. Take a look. I believe it could help you.